Okay, so what we're going to learn in this one is choosing a different type of font and also adjusting the size of your font. And it's very, very simple. And before we get to that, I'm going to explain the data that I have in front of me, and it's very simple. Story goes like this. I go to the deli like every 2 or 3 days, and I buy heaps of hot Hungarian salami. This is a true story. Hot Hungarian salami and Virginia leg ham that's been double smoked. I get the good stuff, right? And what I'm finding is every 2 or 3 days, we're running out of ham and salami. And I don't think I'm eating a lot of it. I think my girlfriend is, but she thinks I'm eating a lot. So I have to actually log how many she has. No, this part's fake. But it would be pretty funny if I had to log how many each of us eat, so I figure out who actually eats more. I probably do eat more. And that's all this is. I have each day over here, and then how many I eat per day. So you can see clearly we eat a lot of ham and salami. So what I want to do is I want to format this with a new type of font, and I want to change the size. I have a heading up here. It's called Ham and Salami Thief. If you want to apply any type of formatting in Excel, you have to first tell Excel where you want to apply it. It's not enough to say, this is the formatting I want, because Excel can't read your mind and doesn't know where you want it. So you got to tell it. So you go ahead and you click where you want to apply it. So now I've got that as the active cell, as you can see. And then I want to go to the Home menu tab over here. And we're going to be working primarily in this font section. And what we're interested in is this top row of icons. And what we want is this one on the left. The left selects your font. The one on the right allows you to change the size in 2 different ways. So we'll get to that in a second. So we go here to the font, and the great thing about this one, especially in the newer version, is that it actually shows you a preview of what the font looks like, right? And as you hovering is anything where you're not actually clicking, you're just moving the mouse over it. Essentially, you're hovering over it. You'll see on the right that the font is actually updating. So if I go down here, I can go and check out as many as I want. So I'm going to go ahead and pick one. I'm going to pick something super, super fancy. Ooh, Bernard MT Condense. So to activate it, we simply click. And if you don't like it, change it again. You can change it as many times as you want until you get sick of changing it or your assignment is late and you just have to pick one. So go ahead and do that. That's a cool one. And that's how you change your font. Pretty easy. Next thing is size. Again, you need to tell it where you want to apply it. So go ahead and click that. And if we go to these icons right here, we use the one on the left where you can just select a font size. So let's go ahead and make that quite large because it's a heading. And again, if you hover, it will automatically change it. So I want to, 22 sounds good. So we'll go ahead and do that. Now these functions on the right here, the A with the little triangle pointing up and the A with the triangle pointing down, is the same thing except it does it incrementally. So I can increase bit by bit or I can decrease bit by bit. There we go. And that's all that is. And that's all there is to it. So hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you at the next video.